The Hakone Tozan 3100 series, plus or minus 9 QDS 3100B, is a two-car electric multiple-unit (EMU) train type operated by the Japanese private railway operator Hakone Tozan Railway on its steeply graded Hakone Tozan Line since May 2017. Overview. The fleet consists of one two-car unit branded Allegra. The general design of the trains was overseen by Noriaki Akab Architecture Network, with the train finished in the standard Hakone Tozan Railway livery of vermilion Hakone and silver highlights. The train can operate in multiple with 3000 series EMU cars to form three car sets. Formation. The two-car set is formed as follows. Interior. Passenger accommodation consists mostly of four-person seating bays, with wheelchair spaces in both cars. Seating is provided for 40 passengers in each car, including 6 pairs of tip-up seats. The trains use LED lighting throughout. History. Hakone Tozan Railway announced details of the new 3100 series train in December 2016, scheduled to enter service in May 2017. The first unit was delivered from Kawasaki Heavy Industries in Kobe in April 2017. The two-car train entered revenue service on 15 May 2017. References. External links. Official website, in Japanese.